There was screaming and shouting everywhere. The ground was shaking and people were running all around, screaming loudly. I got up. On hearing me, my mother was also wake up. She came running and held me tight. It was the same bad dream. It has been more than 6 years now since the earthquake. But in my sleep, I still feel the earth shaking and trembling. Hello, friends. I am Jasma. I live in the Kutch area of Gujarat. I was 11 years old when there was an earthquake. It was 26 January 2001. Everyone from the village, children and old people, had gathered in the ground of the school to watch the parade on TV. Suddenly, the ground was shaking. People were scared and started running here and there. No one knew what was happening and what to do. There was total panic. In a few minutes, our village was flat on the ground. All our things, clothes, pots, grains, and food, were trapped under the stones, mud, and wood from the fallen houses. At that time, everyone thought of two things: to save the people who were trapped and to treat the injured. The village hospital was also damaged. Many people were seriously injured. My leg also got fractured. The doctor treated people with the help of the villagers. 6 people of our village died. My grandfather, Nanaji, was also buried under the house. My mother wept all the time. Seeing my mother, I also cried. The entire village was sad and disturbed. House of Mota Bapu, who is the sarpanch of our village, was not much damaged. He gave rice and wheat to everyone from his godown. For many days, the village women cooked food together at Mota Bapu's house and fed everyone. Imagine being without a house in the cold winter. Fear and the cold kept us awake in all nights. All the time we were worried that there may be another earthquake. For some days after that, people from the cities kept coming to see what had happened. They came with food, medicines, and clothes. Everyone used to rush to take these things. The clothes that we got were very different. We had never worn such clothes before. People from different groups from the city helped us to put up the tents. Staying in these plastic tents in the cold winter months was very difficult. Some of these people were scientists. They tried to find out which area have more chances to having an earthquake. People from our village talked to them many times. They had suggestion about building our houses again. Engineers and architects showed us some special design for houses. They said with this design house would not damage much as in earthquake. But our people were a little afraid. They thought if these people build our houses, our village will not look like our old village. So the villagers thought they would build their own houses with their help. The groups would build the village school. We all worked together to rebuild our village. Some people dug and bought the clay from the pond. We mixed the clay with cow dung and made large cakes. We put these on one another to make the walls. We whitewashed the walls and decorate with them beautiful designs and small pieces mirror. We put the thatched roof. Now our house shines like a diamond in the dark night. People from the groups also made children in Jasma's school practice what they should do in case there is an earthquake. If possible, leave the house and go to an open ground. If you can't go out of the house, lie down under a strong thing like a table and hold on tightly so that it does not slip away. Wait until the shakes stop. So, dear students, a natural disaster is a disaster caused by nature, such as floods, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes, tsunamis, lahars, landslides, drought, hailstorm, heat waves, hurricanes, tropical storms, typhoons, etc. People face a lot of difficulties when they lose people from their family or their houses and belongings. We should help these people. For example, if there is no rain, crops can fail and there can be a drought, but food for the people can be brought from other places. So there is no famine, which means people don't have to stay hungry and they don't die due to hunger. When the disasters take place, we should take initiative to help people who become victims of these disasters. So, thank you, students. Take care.